In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest meme coin trading combo with TradeWiz and Axiom Pro. So the first thing you'll need for this is Axiom Pro account. If you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins right now. It has a lot of premium features such as wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, an amazing P&L tracker, a great reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. They have a turbo mode for faster fills, etc. So a lot of premium features completely for free. Make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So first you will need a account on Axiom. Once you have your Axiom account, we can then proceed on to TradeWiz. So to actually access TradeWiz, there's a link for that down below as well. So make sure you check that out. You want to click on that link so you can then get started and open up the correct bot, which is this one over here. So once you've clicked the link, this is the website you're going to see over here, and it's going to allow you to either start the bot in your Telegram app in case you have it installed on your computer, but if you don't, you can just open in the web just like me. So click on that, and then there we go. This is going to take you to Telegram. Over here, what you're going to see is essentially you have TradeWiz bot over here. Now, the first thing that's going to be interesting over here, so we can actually connect it with Axiom, because ultimately we're going to be trading on Axiom, not on here. We're going to need the extension to actually connect it. So click on extension over here and then open, and this will take you to the Chrome Web Store. On here, you want to just add this to Chrome, add this to your browser, click add extension. And just like this, as you can see, it has now been added to Chrome over here. Let me just pin this so we can further see it without clicking twice. There we go. And what you're going to have to do in here is you want to click on the bot, and then you'll need the access code to actually activate it. So you have to kind of connect this with your Telegram bot, and the way you do this is by clicking get code, okay? So let me just hide this away because this code is a secret key. You can't actually share with anybody. So you will have to press get code. And what will happen is you'll see this TradeWiz Gandalf. Now, you want to just open the bot because this is the one that's going to give you the code. It's their bot, the official bot. So just click on either open in web or start bot. You can do whatever you want. And then from there, you'll see they will give you an access code or a verification code, okay? And once they actually do this, you simply want to copy it, and then you want to paste it. Let me do that here in the second monitor. There we go. And then what's going to happen is this thing over here. Let me show you. There we go. You're going to see this over here. So you can see the TradeWiz bot, and this is now the extension over here. So once you've done this, you can then just go ahead and go to your Axiom account over here. And then inside Axiom, you want to go ahead and click on Pulse. Now here, you just have to find a coin. Of course, you can find whichever coin you want. I'm just going to click on a random one to show you how this works. You then want to click on the extension and then click on Show Panel. Now, if it doesn't show immediately, make sure you refresh the page. And then once you refresh the page, just like this, there we go, it's now showing on your screen. But before we can start trading, and of course, start the fastest meme coin trading combo, we have to connect a wallet. And the way you do this is, if you go to settings over here, first you can of course select different buy amounts, etc. But of course, you will have to do this inside the TradeWiz bot. And the way you do this is, go to TradeWiz bot again, Telegram, click on wallet, click on import wallet, and then confirm import, and it's going to ask you for the private key. Then go to Axiom over here, top right, click on this account and security, and then you want to click, let me just move this, there we go, you want to click on manage wallets. And once you click on manage wallets, in here, you want to just hover over your Axiom main wallet and click on here where it says export private keys. Then you'll be able to get your private key after verification. And then once you get it, you want to just paste it inside your TradeWiz bot over here. And then the two wallets will be connected and you can just start trading over here, basically with whichever coin you would like to have. So with just one click, you can get the fastest meme coin trading combo currently available. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Again, there's links down below. Make sure you check them out. And if the video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.